Kakamega is among the 15 counties that are under this program. It's an 8-year program. We are in our third cycle of operation. We have received 808, both predator nets and bird nets. So what we are doing, the exercise that was taking place today is we were sensitizing the sub-county officers and the enumerators because we want them to go out and meet these beneficiaries, those who got the predator net and bird net, and those who got the liner material, the PVC liner. We call it a PVC liner material. So when they go to these farmers, starting tomorrow for the next 4 days, they'll be asking the farmer on the in-kind contribution. Anything that the farmer does to that particular pond is we are capturing it as a program because as much as IFAD is funding, the GOK is funding, the farmer is also funding at a very great level. That's why we are using the Kobo tool. The Kobo tool is very easy to administer, is user-friendly. We just use an Android mobile phone. When you go to a farmer, you take his details, the sub-county, the ward, the number of ponds, the area, which intervention did he receive? Did he get a liner net? Did he get a liner, a PVC liner? Did he get a predator net? Did he get a bird net? Then he has installed. Has he stocked the pond? So we need that information. And Kakamega is targeting to have 2,944 beneficiaries at the end of this program. And if a farmer had one pond when the program came in, and he has added several ponds, we also need to capture that because that shows this farmer is graduating from level 1 to level 2. So we have had 50 youth today. 50 youth plus the sub-county officers. So these are the third time we are not going to use the tool. It's a very easy tool. Around 5 to 10 minutes you are through. We are migrating digitally. Then the Kobo tool allows you to visit the farmer. But when you are doing it on paper, you can fill from the office, somewhere hidden, just fill in the details. But now the Kobo tool, you even take the coordinates. So there is no room for cheating. There is integrity of data.
We have a good number of beneficiaries in Likuyani. But initially we had a very low number, whereby we only had 5 beneficiaries who had been given predator nets. But as per now, the number has really increased because today, as I'm standing here, we have over 90 beneficiaries in the sub-county. And initially, we were using papers or manual collection of data, whereby we were collecting data on beneficiaries, on what they have done on their farms every month. But today I'm happy to say that we have introduced now a new tool, a software, where we are now collecting data using a mobile device. And I'm happy because initially collecting information manually was a challenge in the field, because it required a lot of paperwork, a lot of asking many questions and doing the writing. But this one is really time. You just get the information from the farmer, and then you send it direct to the server. Then the server will get the information when you are just on the farm.